The world is evolving daily with new technologies revitalizing industries, traditions adapting to the times, and education undergoing reconstruction. Students are encouraged to explore the world beyond the classroom, equipping them with future-proof skills and a tech-ahead mindset. Benenden Bilingual School Guangzhou promotes a future-focused holistic approach to education, fostering cross-border teaching integration to excel as a top bilingual school. Benenden Bilingual School Guangzhou promotes the integration of culture and discipline to cultivate students' AI literacy and interdisciplinary thinking, to provide the perfect learning environment for them to grow and excel at every stage of their lives. Benenden Bilingual School Guangzhou aims to foster creativity and curiosity in future generations. Make it a lifelong learner. Empower students to chase their dreams. Let students pursue their passion and achieve their goals. Through extracurricular outreach activities and customized guidance programs, students are guided to discover their interests and explore their passions to become self-righteous people. Integrate cultural cognition with a global local community. Empathetic. Being good at interpersonal communication is the key to lifelong happiness and success. The Cultural College aims to cultivate students' community conscious, cultural understanding and leadership, and integrate technology and humanities. The Cornerstone Project in Humanistic AI exposes students to cutting-edge technology and develops their critical thinking and problem-solving skills. Connect the classroom to the real world. Quality education evolves with the times, utilizing a vast industry network to inspire students with both the known and unknown possibilities in the real world. Campus culture is crucial for humanistic care to support personal growth. All faculty and staff, school leaders, and parents will jointly build a 360-degree humanistic care system to build a supportive environment for children. Build a respectful relationship to support students' healthy growth. Perfect campus facilities empower education. An exceptional arts center. Versatile sports hub. And the world's top innovation center. We have brought in high-performance facilities to support teaching and learning, helping achieve our educational vision. Create infinite possibilities with us.